So these lateral raises with an overhead component look really good overall. In open kinetic chain, the shoulder blades seem to be upwardly rotating well and fairly symmetrically. Here, both ascending as well as descending from the overhead raise. And then you're doing a good job of keeping the rest of your body stable, including your core, as well as your legs, which just allows more of a stable or a solid base for the shoulder blades and the arms to move. The only comment I'd have to make on this particular lift is just considering the impact of pronation and internal rotation at the shoulder. And it's not to say that it's problematic, especially if you're not having pain with it at this point in time, but it is a higher risk movement just in terms of closing down space underneath the roof of the shoulder blade and putting additional stress on the rotator cuff as well as the bursa underneath there, just depending on your ability to maintain that space throughout the lift.